In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Docs still loading. If Google Docs gets stuck on the loading screen and won't fully open your document, don't worry. This is a pretty common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. We'll go through the process in a clear order, so you can try each solution one at a time and see what works. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Google Docs depends on a stable connection to load documents properly, especially if the file is syncing in real time. If your connection is weak or keeps dropping, the page may stay stuck loading. Make sure your internet is working normally, then refresh the page and try opening the document again. If possible, wait a few seconds after reconnecting so the browser has time to stabilize before retrying. Next, reload the page manually. Sometimes the document doesn't load because the browser session just needs a fresh request. You can click the refresh button in your browser or use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press F5 or Ctrl+R. On Mac, press Command+R. This forces the page to reload and often clears a temporary loading error without needing anything more advanced. If the problem continues, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored website data can become outdated or corrupted, which may interfere with Google Docs loading correctly. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to clear cached files and cookies. Then restart the browser and try opening Google Docs again. This step is especially helpful if the issue has been happening repeatedly or only in one browser. Another effective fix is to restart your device. A simple restart can clear temporary system issues that affect your browser, background processes, or even your network connection. If you've already tried refreshing and clearing browser data, but Google Docs is still stuck loading, restarting your computer is a good next move. Once your device turns back on, reopen your browser and test the document again. That is one of the ways to resolve the issue when Google Docs is still loading. If one step doesn't work right away, move on to the next and test again carefully. In many cases, one of these basic fixes is enough to get your document loading normally again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back into your Google Doc quickly.